Hello everybody, I'm Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months just by consuming the right ingredients, and so have hundreds of our clients as well, which means you can too. And in this video, if you're worried about gaining weight after your weight loss journey, stay with me. I want to show you guys how to reintroduce some unhealthy ingredients, some carbohydrates, without basically sabotaging your progress and still keeping you on a clean long-term journey. And if this is your first time here, make sure you are subscribed. In our videos, we're going to go over ways, strategies, and solutions to help you within your weight loss journey. And the more points we can give you, the more videos you watch, and the more you do this to your advantage for free and start your own weight loss journey and can help yourself, then we will help free the world of this freaking weight pandemic and hopefully remove some long-term chronic diseases that we're just going to get charged for in the long run due to the medical industry. But let's focus on how we can help continue your weight loss journey once you have started reintroducing bad ingredients, as a lot of us are a product of our environment. And I do understand that as the holiday times have just passed through, you are forced to consume with your family, and a lot of times they do not have the best ingredients and don't think about those things, and that is okay. Do understand it is not a big deal, and those couple of days of setbacks will not ruin the trajectory of your journey, and it actually just helps you reload your system and re-kickstart it to actually push it to lose a lot more weight. And I've seen this happen with a lot of customers, so no matter your body type, it does work for almost everyone. Now let's start talking about what it means to actually start reintroducing bad ingredients. And do I recommend you reintroducing bad ingredients? The answer is no. I do not recommend that you reintroduce bad ingredients, but as some people are required to, or their environment makes it difficult, the goal of when you're watching our videos or doing our programs, or that you're with us, if you're doing the do it with you or the do it for you approach, is to teach you what your macros are actually suitable for your body. As all of our bodies are different, these blood testers that we use and the smart scale that we use will actually tell us how your body is reacting to the ingredients that you're consuming. And once we know how your body glycemically reacts to some of those items, then it's going to be easier for you to understand when you reintroduce bad ingredients into your body, how your body will react. And that will make it actually simpler to decide what those future coming meals could be. And it makes it easier for you to plan around these holidays to where you can gain a little bit of weight, but it will all go right back away the minute that the holidays are over. And it can go back very, very, very quickly. You do not need to spend weeks to re-lose any weight that you've gained. It takes days sometimes. And I've seen many customers go through the holidays, gain 5-10 pounds and lose it within 2 days. It's not just me. It happens all the time, specifically if your body is now comfortable burning fat. And the more confident it is in burning fat, the easier it is to re-metabolically adapt to being in a fat burning state. Now, the safest way to reintroduce them is by knowing how they impact your body. When we use this bad boy and we can see what type of food spikes your insulin the highest and lowers, for example, your ketones the most, that will give us a determination stating, hey, maybe your body is not acclaimed to this type of ingredient. You are better off consuming this. And we would try that. And once you try that and you see the glycemic response, it makes it simpler to understand how your holiday food will impact you throughout the holiday season and how fast you could gain some of that weight back. Because look, during the holiday season, we know it's multiple meals a day and every meal is thousands of calories, but more importantly, it's a lot of very, very, very poisonous ingredients that make your body store carbohydrates, and more importantly, it makes your body inflamed. So it's very, very, very critical that you try to be cautious about what you are reintroducing, but more importantly, know what you are able to reintroduce without spiking your body's insulin receptors to such a high number that it makes it difficult to clean itself back up and to re-enter autophagy, because again, that's always the long-term goal. Now, the best way to reintroduce some of these healthy carbohydrates, you could call them, is by knowing how they react to your body and then gradually introducing them. You do not want to carb load for hundreds of carbohydrate grams in one day just to try, you are better off reintroducing slowly but surely to let your body get re-comfortable with re-burning them, because your body is able to burn them in an effective state, specifically if you actually work out a lot. If you are an active person, you have a higher number of carbohydrate intake allotment, which allows you to continuously eat it, but then at the same time burn those sugars and those carbs very, very quickly, which entail will re-put you back in an autophagy state. Now, the importance of tracking and keeping your macros counted even in this reintroductory state is so freaking critical. A lot of people think about it, okay, I'm now done, I've lost the weight, I feel good, now I don't have to count or think. That's not true. You should always want to lightly think about what you are consuming and understand what you're doing to yourself, because that is how you're going to protect yourself in the long run. The whole point of our programs, challenges, and our retreats is that we fully get you to understand how your body reacts to the ingredients and what foods your body reacts positively to. It does take some time, which is why we only do 2 to 4 week retreats or 2 to 4 week coaching sessions. But at the end of the day, it is so important for you to understand how your body reacts to certain ingredients that then you can determine what works best for your specific body type. And anybody can do it. It does take time to reintroduce some bad ingredients. And at the end of the day, I don't recommend you reintroduce them for the long run, but do understand it is okay to have a holiday season and eat with the general family who does consume unhealthy ingredients and foods because they don't know yet, and that's okay. But you do not need to sit there and alienate yourself, as I have had many people question that or had that issue, and I was one of those people as well. You don't need to do that. Join in on the fun. Limit it to as much as you can. Limit the number of bad carbohydrates you are going to be consuming during the holiday season, and then once the holiday season is over, get right back into autophagy, start cleaning up those proteins within the body, and you can heal yourself. Remember, our goal is to help thousands of you guys shed millions of pounds, because we believe weight is the true epidemic of this damn world that nobody wants to fix, right? The food industry wants us to consume it. The sugar industry wants us to keep consuming it. So we've got to fix it ourselves, and you are the key to start. We are now offering you a chance to enter for a free monthly coaching or a free retreat, and we will do the drawing once a month. You can also enter once a month by using the link below. We'll see you in paradise, and we'll see you on the other side of your weight loss journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the people that have applied. Last month's winners were awesome, and they were so much fun to do the retreat with. It meant the world to me and the team. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next one, and see you in paradise.